I'm Erica, and I'm a patient here at Smile Family Dental. I've been coming here, my family has, for over 6 years. Actually, Sobia, she was a parent at a school that I worked for, and my family needed my husband was having some dental issues, and she was so flexible, she was able to squeeze him in. My husband has a little anxiety about going to see the dentist, and she was so patient, and she talked him through the process and made him feel very comfortable. Yes, over 3 generations. So my kids come here, my husband, and recently now my mom has started coming. What my favorite part is just how personable Sobia is. She checks up on how you're feeling, how you're doing, and also just that flexibility and just the great work that she does. So she really goes through the process, explains what's going on, so you really understand. She doesn't do work that is not necessary, just makes you feel at ease, because going to the dentist can be scary for some people, and I know she's helped people that I know that haven't gone dentist for several years feel more comfortable. I would suggest for them to, just to stop on in. Sobia and her team, they're very patient with everyone. They explain what's going on throughout the whole process. She'll ask, "Are you okay?" And I think that just makes people feel like she really cares. She's not just trying to hurry up, get the work done. She goes and makes sure you're comfortable, you're not feeling in any pain. So I think that's important. And there's also a lot of flexibility. My son plays sports, so she works it out, or on days that he doesn't have school, she's able to fit him in. So I think that's great, because sometimes, if you have to get a cavity filled or some, unexpected work, she's really able to, and that's really important to me because I'm a working mom and my son plays sports. I've had myself and my husband, we had some work done from Sobia, the time that she took, and she followed up that day, the next day, with a personal phone call. There was even a time when I had to get something done by a specialist, and she called, talked to the specialist, seen if he can see me right away. She was able to get me seen by the specialist the next day. And what I liked about it is, even though she didn't do the work, she called me personally and asked, "Hey, how are you doing? How are you feeling?" My husband also had to get some work done from Sobia, and she was so flexible. She was able to get him in. My husband works nights, and it's really hard for him to get that proper timing. She squeezed him in, and she was able to work on. He had a lot of work that needed done for a few hours, and she was very patient, and my husband really appreciated that. All that time that she took, and then also she followed up with him with a phone call, and even called me to see how he was doing. So I really think when you go to a dentist, other places you're just in, you're just out. The doctor doesn't know anything about you, doesn't know anything about your family, but she cares about how you're feeling, and just wants to make sure that everything is going okay. So no doctor I've ever had or dentist have ever been that way. So I think that's just one reason why I tell my whole family to come here.